My name's Heather and I am the Gig Buddies ambassador. So basically my role entails telling people about Gig Buddies and basically living and breathing Gig Buddies and just telling them how amazing it is and please support us. If you know of someone who may want to join Gig Buddies, that's brilliant. So to be able to join Gig Buddies, you've got to be an adult over 18, have a learning disability and or autism, and just be really passionate about going to music events, football events, anything really, whatever you want to do. And we'll get some volunteers involved. So basically, if you want to volunteer for Gig Buddies, please go onto our website, which is part of the LDW network, and if you're really passionate about Gig Buddies and supporting us and things, then please volunteer. The project is just come up to its first year. That's why we're having this big event. It's the Gig Buddies' first birthday. So please get involved that way. Also, if you'd like to be part of the event, please do come along. It's at the Academy in Bangor.
Can you introduce yourself too?
Hi, I'm Rachel. I am the project coordinator for Gig Buddies Cymru in North Wales. So my job is to find all of the participants and volunteers to join the project. As Heather said, we do the matching process so people can live the lives that they actually want to live, which is amazing. And so the process starts with people applying to want a buddy, or somebody applying to us that wants to be a buddy, so for example a volunteer, and I set up that process. So I do the applications and I also then do the matching process, so I've got a pretty important job too.
How can people join on Thursday? Is it on Zoom?
Yes, it'll be live streamed to YouTube, the Ffrindiau Gigiau YouTube channel. And if you want to be part of that, you'll have to, if you go onto the Gig Buddies events page, scroll down, there will be a little section about the actual event. If you click on it, it'll tell you how to get tickets. If you want to watch it online, you scroll down to the watch on YouTube, click that, put however many tickets you want to buy, they're £5 per ticket. And then sit back, relax with your favourite drink and your favourite food or whatever, and enjoy the event.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We've wanted to do this birthday party since September last year, when it was our year anniversary, and unfortunately we couldn't due to COVID, so we're really, really excited and we want everybody to join us, whether that's online or in person at Academy. We also are very active on our Facebook page, so Gig Buddies Cymru, if you just search us in the search box, we should come up. And I'm also on there as Mae Ffrindiau Gigiau, and Heather is also on there too, aren't you, Heather?
I am, under Mae Ffrindiau Gigiau.
How many people are there and how many volunteers are there?
So at the moment we probably have around, I think the last time I checked it was up to 50 people, with applications pouring in, and we've had to close applications for participants, so people looking for a buddy, because at the moment I am the only project coordinator in North Wales, hoping to grow but yeah, at the moment I am the only person that is the project coordinator. So so we've closed applications at the moment for participants to join, but we still love receiving them, because we will hopefully open back up again in a month. So if you are looking for a buddy, please send your application forms in. Demand is quite high at the moment for participants. Volunteers though, that's been much harder. So if anybody in Wrexham would like to volunteer for us, you're thinking about a few gigs coming up and you're like, oh, I'd absolutely love to make a mate to go with me to do that, then yeah, we're the project for you.
What's the future like for Gig Buddies?
The future's bright, the future's pink, the future's Gig Buddies.
Woo! The future for Gig Buddies is we're hoping to do a social in the Focus Festival that's coming up. That's going to be really exciting, and also we also hope to be part of the Wrexham 2025 Culture Bid as well, because that is so cool.
Hashtag Wrexham 2025.
Yeah, hashtag.
Get that trending.
Yeah, whoop whoop.
Tell us your best experiences of Gig Buddies so far.
There's so many.
Yeah,
I'm trying to
there's
think.
a lot. My best experiences so far have actually been attending our socials. People really have struggled to back out and do things, and I think we've built these safe spaces, but also not too safe, and you can still have a drink and catch up with friends and see people face to face. No, I think that's been one of the best experiences, getting back out there after COVID, because people were really nervous to do that. Matching people as well, though, I absolutely love every part of the matching process. I love when people come in and they say they want to be part of something, and then seeing how successful their friendship is, and going out and doing things. And I absolutely love getting photographs from people who are having a whale of a time going to football matches, and going for a pint or going to gigs. And it's just been great. We have now a good nine successful matches, I would say.
Mine would be just watching them grow as participants in confidence and things, and being able to I think my favourite time was not long ago I held a Zoom meeting on showing people how to book a hotel for our big social, and one went ahead and managed to do it, and they were just the sense of achievement was just amazing. It's just those things that everyone else can do for them could be a massive thing.
That's a lovely answer. It's so true. It's very it's very humbling and also very powerful. And what we do actually makes genuine change, and I think we see that every day.
Yes, we do.
Every day that we're working with the buddies. I mean, the amount of hours that we put in.
I mean, even outside Gig Buddies, these participants are meeting up and making new friendships and doing things outside of Gig Buddies, which is fantastic.
Yeah, through the Gig Buddy community.
Can you go one more time? Can you go through the special event that's happening?
Yeah, it's at the Academy in Bangor, which is part of Bangor University. It will be happening from 7 p.m, Thursday the 31st of March 2022, which is this Thursday. And we've got loads of bands playing, we've got DJs, we've got the likes of Sound Express there, Brother McGee,
Callan Irons.
That's
DJ
the one. I
Callan
can never say his name.
Yeah, DJ Stroppy is going to be good, and Ernie Sparkles is going to host, and we're really excited to see him in person, because we've never actually seen him in person hosting a live event for us.
Oh, this will be really exciting. So if you want to come, tickets will be £5. You can either get them online. If you go onto our Facebook page, Ffrindiau Gigiau, and scroll down, there'll be the event listed there and how you get your tickets. Or you can pay on the door. Now, we will be having T-shirts, which my colleague is modelling now, but you won't be able to see that because it's radio, but hey-ho. T-shirts will be...
Special offer of £10, but there'll be £15 after the event.
15 after the event, so you really must come to this event if you want to get a bargain.
Yeah, get yourself a Gig Buddies t-shirt. Oh, I've wanted them for ages.
And there's pin badges and pens, so if you really want a really cool Gig Buddies pen as well, then come to our event.
There's also tickets available at Venue Cymru that you can win. There's quite a few really cool raffle prizes that are going to be there.
But you've got to be in it to win it, and to be in it to win it, you've got to be at the event.
Yeah.